Hello everyone, this is your girl Charlene and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over my items that I picked up from Yves Saint Laurent. So let's get started. First of all, I did pick up the All Hours Hyper Bronze bronzer in the shade Dark Sienna 05. Packaging is very beautiful. And that's what the shade looks like. Nice shade. Has a nice mirror on it as well. So I'm looking forward to trying this one out. Let's see how it feels on my, you can tell it's right here. So it looks like it definitely will work for me. It's very smooth, it's filling as well. And the other thing I picked up, now backstory to this one, when I was in Sephora around the Black Friday sale, I was just moseying around all the perfumes and sniffing them. And I wanted to try ones that I had been looking at all year long, just to see what my opinion was on them, smelling them from the test strip, some of them smelling on skin, and of all the perfumes I smelled, I only actually liked a few of them. So one of them was the Yves Saint Laurent Libre and the Intense. So, that Perfume Intense version of it. So this is the bottle. I ended up getting it from their site. And I'll show something special I did to it, because I knew I loved it. That's what it looks like. Very beautiful, sleek looking bottle. But I got it engraved. If you notice, there has Charlene on it. So I was able to get that done on the Yves Saint Laurent site. And it smells so good. I pulled up the site on Yves Saint Laurent, and it says that, give you some more information on what makes this one different. It says Libre de Perfume Intense is the more sensual take on the iconic YSL Libre de Perfume. The signature notes of lavender essence from the France and Moroccan orange blossom combined with glowing orchid and warm vanilla to push the long-lasting perfume to the extreme is a unique twist on the original floral fragrance. And Libre means free. It's a celebration of freedom, a perfume for women who do what they want and dare to be exactly who they are. Drawing inspiration from the couture runways, the It bottle pushes its couture statement further with a masculine camel color twisted in the most feminine way, amplifying the intensity of the original perfume bottle. So this is said to be a vanilla perfume with lavender essence, orange blossom, and orchid accord. And when you look at the actual notes on here, it says that orange blossom is from Morocco. The Diva Lavender Heart is from France. It's a fresher and more vibrant floral expression of the essence. And the Vanilla Bourbon, now if you saw my previous Bath and Body Works, you would know that I mentioned in there that I found that I love vanilla bourbon and perfumes. And I bet that's what drew me to this perfume. But it says vanilla bourbon, pure jungle essence from Madagascar, sustainably sourced in Madagascar and crafted exclusively for Yves Saint Laurent. It is obtained through a cutting-edge extraction technology. Jungle essence. This extract captures a unique sultry vanilla scent. So again, this is the Yves Saint Laurent Libre Intense. So I picked both of those up, the bronzer and the perfume from them. And because I got those items, they gave me two Tushy Clot Blur Primer in a mini size. And that's what that looks like. Has a little flex in there. So I'll give that a try and see what I think about it. I did hear about this primer when it originally released and heard a lot of good things about it. So I look forward to trying that out. Is there any other YSL items that you guys enjoy? Because I really haven't, other than my Mon Paris that I have and a couple other items from Yves Saint Laurent, I don't really have a lot of items from them. So if there's anything that I should be looking at or you think that I would love to try out, let me know in the comments. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Have a great day.